It's a partnership with Caerphilly Homelessness Team in Caerphilly County Borough Council and the Revenues and Rents section of Charter Housing. So we've come across situations where the social housing in the Charter is at risk, and they've contacted us in homelessness prevention, and we've got that duty to prevent homelessness, to see if we can work together to salvage these tenancies.
I think the most important thing to say, out of the 8 that potentially would have been evicted, we managed to save those tenancies, and they're still living there, they're still engaging with us, so that's why it's been such a success.
So the New Homes team look after all of our starter tenants and our tenancy endings. So we work with people from the pre-tenancy stage through to sign up and the end of their first 12 months with Monmouthshire Housing. We front load this service by making sure that we are working intensively with people before they sign for their tenancy. We meet with them a couple of times and we talk to them about what their personal needs are and what their tenancy risks are. And from that conversation, we will identify with that applicant whether they are a red, amber or green risk tenancy, and we will shape our service for the first 12 months according to that assessment.
I think what makes us special is nobody else does this. I think that the service that we provide is a gold standard service. We can't really provide any more. We've got to that level.
It's a shared service project between 5 RSLs in South Wales, and it's a learning programme and engagement programme working with tenants and residents to make better use of outside spaces in the community. Whereas before, perhaps historically, RSLs would come in and do a project or do something outside and something would appear, the Space Surveys model sort of flipped it on its head, and it encourages tenants and residents to come up with ideas. It's an inspiring project to come up with better uses of spaces in the communities, and then they get the support and the training to find out how they can start a community project to make better use of spaces around where they live.